Boeing just asked the FAA for something unprecedented, a free pass to keep selling an aircraft that won't meet 2028 emission standards. But why would they risk this move? And what does it reveal about the future of air cargo? Boeing has formally requested an exemption from the FAA, asking permission to deliver up to 35 additional units of the current 777 freighter, even after new emission regulations kick in at the end of 2027. Now, that might sound routine, but it's not. The new rules, set by the International Civil Aviation Organization, are designed to push the industry toward cleaner, more fuel-efficient aircraft, and the 777F, as capable as it is, doesn't meet those standards. So why is Boeing asking for this? The answer lies in timing and a gap that could shake the entire cargo market. Boeing's next-generation replacement, the 777-8 freighter, is running behind schedule. It was supposed to be ready by now, but certification delays have pushed its entry into service further out. That creates a problem. If Boeing stops producing the 777F at the end of 2027 as required, there's suddenly no large, efficient freighter available for delivery until the 777-8F is cleared to fly. And that's a gap the industry can't afford. Air cargo isn't slowing down. E-commerce, global supply chains, time-sensitive logistics, demand for freighter capacity is strong and growing. Airlines and cargo operators have been placing orders, expecting deliveries in 2028 and beyond. But here's the twist. If Boeing can't deliver the current 777F and the new 777-8F isn't ready yet, those customers are left waiting. Or worse, they start looking at competitors. And Boeing knows this. The company argues that this exemption isn't just about keeping production alive, it's about sustaining market capacity during a critical transition period. They're framing it as a bridge solution. Deliver 35 more units of the proven 777F while the next generation model gets certified. From Boeing's perspective, it makes sense. From the FAA's perspective, it's more complicated. Granting this waiver would mean allowing an aircraft that doesn't meet the new environmental standards to continue operating in a regulatory window designed to phase out exactly that kind of technology. It's a tension between environmental progress and industrial continuity, and the decision could set a precedent. But here's what's really interesting. This isn't just about Boeing. It's about how the aviation industry handles the messy reality of technological transition. You can't flip a switch and go from old to new overnight. There are factories, suppliers, training programs, certification processes, all moving at different speeds. And when those speeds don't align, you get moments like this. Moments where a company has to ask, can we bend the rules just enough to keep things moving? So, should the FAA approve Boeing's request? Is this a reasonable bridge or a dangerous precedent? What do you think? Drop your take in the comments. And if you want more aviation analysis like this, subscribe and hit the bell. This is Plain News. See you in the next one.